kaya sila tumatawa. Cute-cute mo kasi. O sige, pabigyan mo yung iyak mo.
Okay, let's sing together. Gonna reach up high, gonna...
Ang galing-galing sumayaw eh.
Ano naman eh. Ang
Suray?
ganda eh, maganda.
Suray?
Can you hold that?
Ang galing
This
sumayaw
one,
ba?
this is his hands. Does it hurt?
Kaya sila natuto kasi ang cute-cute mo. Alam mo, ang hirap ng ginawa ni ate inakantahan ka niya habang sasayaw ka.
Ano yung kinagalit niya? Ano yung kinagalit niya?
Matagal daw kumanta si ate.
Oh, gusto mo ito? I'm gonna wake up and
Alam mo si ate, hindi mo machine si ate, ha?
There's ginger in there.
Oh yeah, take it.
Here,
Ate,
phone,
is that
phone.
your machine?
Daniel, phone.
I said it first.
Gusto mo, ha?
Oh, never. I said it first.
Nilalaro ko eh.
Here, Daniel, here.
Dance ka ulit, Daniel.
Daniel.
Sige na, galing-galing mag-dance eh.
Yun na, pinagtatawanan niya daw eh.
Galing-galing mag-dance eh.
Kasi
When I'm on the
ang
job, I just go there.
Kaya nga,
You're so cute, Daniel.
kaya
I don't have to drive my car.
nakikita nga sa'yo, kaya sila natawa.
Oo, grabing cute eh, no?
Then when I get tired of staying